Yes, all of you can tell one here is very passionate, but just a little bit crazy.
Hey, what do you mean by that crazy?
Crazy for birds.
That is right.
So why don't you tell us how many birds have you seen?
Okay, so last year I saw about 700 birds. This year I would like to break my own record and see 1,000 birds or even more.
Wow! Hashtag show off.
Hey, hashtag I know right.
Okay, Wani, I'm just kidding. So let's begin our journey to meet some smart, colorful, and truly incredible wing friends. First up, South America.
Let's go.
We will be taking a drive to the port and then a boat ride on the Tango River, where you may see the footprints of a jaguar. All spots are red color. Look around you.
Wow!
We are now on the most biodiverse part of the planet here in the Peruvian Amazon. Everyone, welcome to the Chuncho Macaw Clinic, where hundreds of birds gather every day to live on click. This clinic is one of the largest of its kind in the world.
Well, everyone, keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Lambo and Ferrari as they macaws. Now, macaws like them, they have sharp pointy bills which allows them to eat unripe fruits. But eating unripe fruits isn't good for these birds because it has toxins in them. So by eating clay, it neutralizes all of the toxins out. Amazing, right, Durga?
Yes, that's right, and that means no upset tummies. It looks like all these birds are enjoying their salty feast. Let's give them a big hand.
Hey, Durga,
Yes.
I want to see more birds.
Okay.
So let's not stop. Let's fly to Southeast Asia. Let's go! Whoa! Okay, stop.
Alright everyone, welcome to Bird Paradise in Singapore. This park is home to 3,500 birds, over 400 avian species.
Whoa!
So Wani, is that enough birds for you?
Oh, no, not enough. I wouldn't mind seeing more than like 1,000.
Okay, yeah, I knew you were going to say that. And as many of us may know, on the 9th of August, Singapore celebrated her 59th birthday. So to commemorate that, I have a silver flag to give away. Who wants this flag? Raise up your hand. Okay, yes, I'm going to choose that lady in blue, like blue. Yes, you, ma'am. Yes, you. Okay, beside the young man. The one with the blue tudung. Yes. Okay, all you have to do is stand up and meet my friend at the standing up. Yes. Oh no, it's not her. She's too young to participate in this. I'm sorry. I need an adult volunteer. Okay, you don't want anymore? Okay, how about sir? How are you doing instead of her? Is it okay? Okay, let's give them some time to get ready now. Okay, so you stay right there. Stay right there. Yes, okay. You stretch out your arms. Open your palm. This side. Yes, okay, now a bird will be delivering this flag to you. When she puts the flag down, please hold on tight to the flag. Is that okay? Okay, and everyone else around the volunteer, please remain seated. We do not want to confuse the bird. Okay, so let's just wait for these people to get settled down first. Okay, and with that, everyone, let's welcome Ceci, our self-requested talkative. Hello, Ceci. Okay, once again, everyone, could please settle down, please. Thank you. Okay, Ceci, our volunteer is right there. Are you ready? Let's do this. All the way up. Put the foot down. Sorry, put the flag down. Okay, she's posing for photos. Alright, there you go. And on right back down to me. Let's give a wonder round of applause until then. It's now time for Jessie to hit back home. Okay, Jessie, home is that way. Okay, let's give her some time to finish the trip. Okay, Luna is waiting for you. Let's give us one more time. Okay, Sassy, she's waiting for you. Let's go back home. Let's give Sassy a round of applause. Hello. The Birimokos, they are one of the largest Birimokos family and he is about 10 years old.
Well, here with me, I have Kitty, the sulfur-crested cockatoo. Now, cockatoo like Kitty, they can be found in Australia and certain parts of Indonesia. Now, sulfur is yellow in color. You can only see her crest, yellow, right? Well, that is how these birds get young from sulfur-crested cockatoo.
Now, parrots, they mate for life and make devoted parents. They take advantage of abandoned tree cavities, just like this one right here, to build their nests.
Well, they use barks, dry leaves, and even twigs as nesting materials. So once they have these materials, they will then put these into the nest. But if the cavity is too small, they will use their beak to make the hole bigger. So let's have these two birds to demonstrate it, shall we? Okay, Kitty, right over there. Let's go.
Kitty, this way, come on.
Yeah, there you go.
Now it's your turn.
Yeah, let's go to screen. This time.
And if you want to see what happens from inside, take a look at the screen. Oh look, that's Higgins.
It's Higgins. And what about Kitty? Kitty, look. It's you. Looking for a snake? Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Peekaboo, I see you.
Hello there everyone, let's give it up for Kitty and Higgins with our wonderful trainers.
A rooster. You know a rooster in the park? Oh, Luna, look. Rooster right up on the screen.
No, honey, that's not the rooster we're talking about. That's the rooster.
That's the rooster.
Yes.
Look, that is an Amazon parrot, not a rooster.
Okay, so you don't believe me, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay, you stay right there and you watch this, okay? Okay, turn around and you show Wani how you do the rooster. You believe me now?
Yes, I believe you now.
Okay, everyone, we could see, and that right there is Amigo, and they are masters of mimicry. Okay, but before we carry on, Quincy, can you please welcome them? Did you catch that? Quincy said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. Okay, let's say that one more time. Welcome them. Very cute. Okay, this time, Quincy, can you show us something else? How about the cat? There you go. Very fierce cat right there. Okay, this time let's impress them even further by doing the high-tech sound. The telephone. The telephone. Now, as it was the National Day on the 9th of August, Quincy here is going to sing a song about Singapore. Okay, it goes something like that. Singapura, oh Singapura, pretty flowers bloom for you and me. Okay, so Singapura means Singapore in the Malay language, and Quincy cannot say me. So at the end, we all are going to say it together, right? Okay, ready, Quincy? Let's sing. No, you already welcomed them. Let's sing. Okay, we'll sing together. Singapore. Let's give Quincy a round of applause.
So when parents imitate the sounds and calls, they are just doing what the families do in the world. When they mimic human sounds, they are just doing what they hear around them.
That's right, and in this case, Quincy's and Amigo's family will be the Mandai staff.
Hey, Mandai stars! Okay, so now let's hear our unique Amazon parents mimic some sounds, shall we? Now, would you like to say hello? Wow, what a very sweet hello. Now, he can't say his name on his own, so let's hear that, shall we? Can you tell everyone what's your name? Did you catch that? Okay, one more time. Now, what's your name? Amigo! So, Amigo is his name. Amigo, look, there's so many people this afternoon. How would you like to greet all these nice people? Oh, he's asking, how are you? Now, how are all of you doing this afternoon? Good? Yes? Awesome! Great to hear that. So, Amigo, he's very talented. He loves singing. Now, he'll be singing a special song, and that is the birthday song. So, by any chance, any one of you celebrating your birthday today, just raise up your hand. If it's your birthday, anyone? Okay, I see a couple of hands right over there. Yeah, right up there. So, you know what? This song is for you. Amigo, let's sing. In Bird Paradise. Well, Durga, I must say it was pretty amazing, right?
Yes, that's right, but hold on everyone. Quincy and Amigo, they are 1 in a million. But if you choose to get yourself a pet parrot, you will end up with a bird like Big John.
Big John? Oh,
Hi, Big
hello, Big John.
That was very loud, right? So please do think twice or even 100 times before you go home and get yourself a pet parrot. And with that everyone, let's give it up for Quincy and Amigo, our Amazon parrot.
Well, everyone, each year, hundreds and thousands of these parrots are sworn to a dream. Now, Amazon parrots like them, they can live up to 50 years in captivity. Even think they make good plans, but they don't.
Yes, that's right. So instead of getting yourself a pet parrot, why not come on down to the bird paradise to see all these beautiful birds instead, right, Wani?
That is right, Durga. So what's next?
Toucan! Right, so everyone meet Mrs. Axel. Now Mrs. Axel here has been with us for over 25 years, making her a much loved family member. Now right here in Bird Paradise, we provide our older birds the right environment, food and even medical care. Alright, and our retirees, they also love to stay active and stimulated. So that is why Mrs. Axel is out here to meet all of you. So everyone say hi, Mrs. Axel!
Hey, Mrs. Axel! So that is right, Durga. All the animals right here in Mandai, they play a very important role in the ecosystem. Now everyone, let us all head to Southeast Asia, where we have the Oriental Pied Hornbill.
Oh, everyone meet Oris. Now Oris here has a heartwarming story. Now Oris fell out of his nest when he was a chick, and in the wild, Oris would not have survived. But right here in the Bird Paradise, we nurse him back to her where he has a safe and permanent home with us.
Thanks for sharing with us, Durga. So, hornbills and toucans, they have two major differences. Okay? Now, toucans, they are commonly mistaken as hornbills due to their large bills. Now, toucans, it can be found in Central and South America, whereas hornbills like oryx, they can only be found in Asia and Africa. Now, hornbills, they have a distinctive feature over their beak called a cusp. Now, it can be in small reach, quite big, or even brightly colored.
Is there anything else, Wani?
Oh yes, of course, Durga. Their feet. Now they are great hobbits. Everyone watch out for Ori's hop. Look! Hop, 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 hop. What a very cute hop by Oris. So toucans, they have 2 toes up front and 2 toes at the back. Whereas hornbills like Oris, they have 3 toes up front and broad soles. Now it gives them the strength and stability when they move up and down branches in the forest. Now your turn to share me.
Okay, I'm going to share about their tongues. Now, hornbills, they have shorter tongues, but most of these birds use their tongue to toss fruits back into their mouths. Everyone, check it out.
Oh, what a great catch! Now not only that, well they are great flyers as well. Now they are great at catching prey in mid-flight. So someone will be tossing the fruit high up. Let's see whether Oris will be able to catch it. Whenever you are ready, 1, 2, and 3, up, up, and away! Wow! Wonderful catch! Well, everyone, let's give Oris our Oriental white hornbill and Mrs. Axel our Togo toucan a round of applause. Well done and thank you guys. Now, great white hornbill, they are one of the largest species of hornbill that you can find in Southeast Asia. Now, in Borneo, which happens to be one of the places where they can be found, some tribes believe that if a hornbill flies over an area or a village, it means they will be blessed with good luck. However, one female hornbill like Vicky, they are fussy about their accommodation. Now it has to be spacious and have a chimney so that they can escape if they want to. Then in the wild, the male will then bring her mud and she'll mix with mashed fruits. And guess what? Even her own droppings to make a strong seal. With that, everyone, let's welcome her mate, Sunny, another great white hornbill.
What Sunny is doing right now is he is gathering food for the female. So in the long, the female will stay inside and will look for food and feed her through the next hole, and it will go on for about 3 to 4 months. Alright, Sunny, there you go. He's bringing down all the food that we have gathered to feed her. Okay, and if you cannot see this lovely gesture, if you want to take a look at the screen. That is our female hornbill. She is inspecting the nest box, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. She does. And that's our male hornbill feeding her through the nest hole. And this unique nesting behavior is similar to nearly 62 species of hornbills in the world. Oh, and with that, Sunny, it's now time for you to head back home. Oh, good. Let's all give up on the hornbills, everyone.
Sadly, everyone, hornbills, we are under threat. The critically endangered helmeted hornbill are now being hunted for its carcass called gray ivory. So what happens to elephants are now happening to this beautiful bird? I am here because Mandai Nature supports conservation efforts to protect these critically endangered helmeted hornbill. Well, as a birder, I love seeing birds in the wild and in wildlife parks where they get the best care possible.
So speaking of best care, hello everyone! I'm Jordan from Bird Paradise. In my season 9, we work hard to keep our birds active, engaged, and enriched. And in just a short while, we're about to introduce some more beautiful birds. But before that, Is our birder and guide ready? Well, everyone, keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome our beautiful ponies. So this right here is an enrichment device called a monkey fist. It is ropes tied into knots. And in these knots, we have hidden treats for our birds to forage. We use this so that they can express their natural behavior. So these ponies are from the forest of South America, but they are now endangered. Each year, over 800,000 of these birds are sold into the pet trade. There are now more ponies in people's homes than there are in the wild. But these birds are social species and are the happiest in flocks, so please do not keep them as pets. In the world, there are over 40 species of ponies. After our monkey fist, we have two of the different species. The ones with the more green feathers, they are called the Gende ponies. And the ones with the more bright yellow feathers, they are called the sun ponies. Well, it looks like our birds have all headed back home. Let us give them a big hand!
Thank you very much, Jeremy, for sharing some insights of management for our resident ponies.
Durga, we've been to South America. We came to Asia to see beautiful birds. I think it only makes sense if we head to Africa. Let's go!
Now everyone, we are traveling through the marshlands of Kenya, Uganda and Ethiopia in the east coast of Africa. And for this segment, we need everyone's cooperation. Please remain seated at all times as the bird will be flying low over some of your heads. Okay, and we need you to put your hands down. Okay, and if you are holding on to selfie sticks, lower it down as well. Alright, so everyone please remain seated, hands down and selfie sticks down. Thank you.
We're coming to see a very special bird that can be found in ponds, lagoons and even lakes in Africa and even Saudi Arabia. Well, I am talking about the feedback and crows.
Our pelicans like crows, they scoop for fish with other pelicans using their massive bills and true pouches.
Interesting. Did you know that they can fly for hundreds of miles for 24 hours without stopping? Although they are large, but they are lightweight, weighing about 46 kilograms.
Lightweight but with a huge wingspan that can measure up to 9 feet long, which is about this long. Alright, now it's time for the Rose to leave back home. Rose, you know your way back home, right? No? Okay, people around the pelican, please remain seated and do not touch the bird, okay? Hey, Rose, where are you going? It's very cute. Okay, what are you doing now, Mom? To reset the behavior, once again, everyone, please remain seated. The lady in gray shirt, please remain seated, please. Thank you. Okay, we need everyone's cooperation to remain seated to reset Rose back home. Okay, this is for your safety and for the safety of the pelican. So everyone, please remain seated. Children included, please sit down. That's so cute. So this is done as well. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay, Rose. Take 2. Let's head back home. Turn around.
Right. Still adjusting, looking at the surroundings. Come on. Good. Yeah, there you go. Well, everyone, let's give Rose our big hand and round of applause.
you for joining us on our adventure and happy birthday!
Good.